प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी।
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hello guys, what's up? It's your girl Desi Chinese. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this face is new to you, my name is Arunima. Hello, welcome to my channel. Now if you're here, make sure that you press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and yeah, join the family. So recently there was a huge pink sale going on Nykaa app, and there were a lot of things जो मेरे wish list में काफी time से थे, तो मैंने सोचा कि why not shop this time because it's a golden opportunity. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff over here. I want to show it to you guys. Let's get started. I don't want to waste time now. To be honest, it is a great time to shop from Nykaa क्योंकि काफी ज़्यादा reasonable price होता है and they don't really fool us. मैंने trust में गए सेल के नाम पे बहुत ज़्यादा झोल होते हुए देखे हैं ऑनलाइन ऐप्स में, but trust me, Nykaa is not like that. मैं हमेशा पिंक सेल से ही ऑर्डर करती हूँ सामान mostly. So there were a lot of things जो मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए था and मेरी नज़र थी उस पर और मैं वेट कर रही थी कि कब पिंक सेल शुरू हो जाए तो मैं खरीद लूँ उसको, तो मैंने उसको लिया पिंक सेल के टाइम पर ही. So recently I did a full dedicated video to K Beauty and उसमें जितने भी products थे वो सारे मैंने recently ऑर्डर करे थे, recently purchase करे थे. So I have all these things. I have primer, I have eyeshadow pencil, I have a lipstick from K Beauty, and I also have a blush from K Beauty. So I already have described all these products deeply in detail in the previous video which I did. So if you haven't watched that video up till now, make sure that you go and watch that video, check it out, and you will know about all these products separately एकदम deeply अच्छे से, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत अच्छे से describe करा था and मैंने बताया था कि ये क्या क्या है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, कैसे कैसे ये work करता है. So I'm really glad about all these products. Also, pink sale is a great time to repurchase all the things which you have ran out of. So basically I buy all the things जो मेरे पास पहले से ही थे पर ख़त्म हो गए थे ताकि मैं वापस उसको refill कर सकूँ या repurchase कर सकूँ. So I am using this LA Pro Conceal from quite a long time now and I am a huge fan of Pro Conceal. बहुत ही अच्छे से वर्क करता है. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में मैं सोचती थी कि लोग इसके बारे में इतना ज़्यादा क्यों बात करते हैं, इतना क्या है इस प्रोडक्ट में, बट once I started using this product I got to realize, I got to know that okay, ये है reason. So that's why I have bought it again. Moving on to the next item, I have a long lasting setting spray from NYX. Again, इसके बारे में मैंने इतना सुना था. ये आपके मेकअप को सेट नहीं, सेट से कुछ ज़्यादा ही करता है. It also gives you a glowing look. It gives you a very refreshing and very settling वाला look at the end of the day, and it's really nice. It's also very refreshing. It's very amazing. Moving on to the next product, I bought this white color ka eyeliner. I don't know why I bought it, but so when you want to do or when you have to do these experimental looks, when you want to go out of the box, out of the way to do your makeup, if you want to try new things, you can absolutely go for exotic liners. So मुझे white liner use करना था काफ़ी time से. So I bought this eyeliner to experiment and to do some experimental looks on myself, and whenever I am doing some sort of reel, और ये basically content creation के लिए काम आएगा, like making reels and IGTVs and stuff like that. So I really wanted that. Moving on to the next product, I have another very experimental liner from Nykaa. So this is green in color, so it's sea green sort of a color है इस liner का. Although I am a little disappointed with this product because it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be, but white वाला काफ़ी ज़्यादा pigmented है and I'm very happy with that. No complaints from that product. But ये वाला काफ़ी ज़्यादा less pigmented है and I was not expecting it from this. Moving on to the next product, this is again a lip gloss from Nykaa. Again, it is a little bit disappointing, but I think I can work with this product. So the one disappointing thing is कि ये shade अच्छा नहीं है. So I thought that this one will be in a whole different shade, but ये बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं है. So I thought कि ये एक थोड़ा सा सा शिमरी, गोल्डी शिमरी काइंड ऑफ अ ग्लॉस होगा, बट इट इज़ 100% gold gloss shade and that makes me look really really weird and I think कि ये आप naked lips पे apply नहीं कर सकते. The reason being इससे बहुत ही golden lips हो जाते हैं, weird वाला golden lips. I don't even understand the shade, but you can apply it on top of some other lipstick, तो उससे आपको थोड़ा एक बढ़िया सा शेड मिल जाएगा, न्यू सा. So you can use it, you can try it out. Moving on to the next product, I have this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is again a repurchase. मैंने ये फिर से परचेज करा था because I love the compact powder, loving the product, I love how it feels on my face and it's a very very nice and very light compact powder. It's not too dry or too wet and that's the thing which I love the most. कुछ compact powder कुछ ज़्यादा ही dry होते हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा ही केकी लगता है उसको यूज़ करने के बाद, but इसके साथ ऐसा नहीं है. Plus it's the Fit Me range, so nothing can go wrong with this one, so I am loving it. Moving on to the next item, I have this Nykaa ka Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter. I love this product. I am a huge fan of this product. I love wearing this product. I love how this product really looks like when you are wearing it. I absolutely adore this product. I just gave it a try. I gave this one a try and I do not regret it at all because it's such an amazing product. And I also used it in my recent reel and my recent short, which you can go and check it out for sure. Moving on to the next product, अगर हम highlighters की बात कर रहे हैं तो main highlighter की बात कर लेते हैं. So this is the Balm highlighter. This is something which I'm wearing right now and you can see it is absolutely gorgeous. It is super pigmented and it is really glowy. It is like a champagne kind of a highlighter, champagne pop वाला जो color होता है, जो shade होता है. Love the product. It's very nice. It's super amazing. Again इस product के बारे में भी मैंने काफ़ी सुना था and I used to think कि भाई इतना क्या है इस product में जो सभी लोग बात करते हैं इस बारे में. But oh my god, the minute I started using this, love. Moving on to the next product, as I told you guys कि ये time कुछ भी चीज़ repurchase करने के लिए भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So I ran out of this liquid eyeliner and this is from Maybelline Colossal वाला range. So I am a huge fan of matte black eyeliner and I love it. I enjoy this liner a lot. काफ़ी अच्छी pigmentation है, काफ़ी अच्छा product है. I love it and yeah, this is my second या third bottle to be honest because I use this regularly. Moving on to the next product, I have this lip liner which I am wearing today as well. I don't understand the use of this product because मुझे कोई difference समझ में नहीं आता, कुछ फ़र्क मुझे दिखता नहीं है, कुछ लगता नहीं है कि यूज़ करो ना करो एक ही है मेरे लिए. So it doesn't really make sense to me, but this is my first lip liner which I tried and I think I'm happy with the shade. I am okay with the shade. Today also I'm wearing it. You can see that. तो मुझे कुछ फ़र्क तो दिखता नहीं है, but still ठीक है. It's a nice shade though. Moving on to another product. This one is Milani lipstick. अमेजिंग लिपस्टिक. ये मैंने जितने लोगों को दिखाया उन सभी लोगों को ये काफ़ी लिप शेड पसंद आया. आई ऑल्सो लव द टेक्स्चर ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक. आई ऑल्सो लव द पिगमेंटेशन. आई लव द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक एंड मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल द शेड. अमेजिंग न्यूड मैट शेड. एंड बहुत सारे मैट लिपस्टिक्स जो होते हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इरिटेटिंग और अनोइंग होते हैं कि मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि बस हटा दो इसको, जल्दी से रिमूव कर दो. बट दिस इज़ सो कम्फी. दिस इज़ सुपर अमेजिंग. Moving on to the last makeup product from the list, I have the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline. So it's a mascara. I love the bristles of this mascara. Love how pigmented it is. Again, this is something which I'm wearing on my eyes, on my lashes today, and I love the product. It is extremely pigmented and just one dip में ही दोनों eyes आपकी cover हो जाती हैं. It's very pigmented. I love the formulation of the mascara. I love the bristles of this mascara and bristles pulses really matters when it comes to mascara, क्योंकि वही आपके lash को lift करते हैं, push करते हैं. It really matters. So it's uplifting, it's very very nice, separates your lashes, gives volume to your lashes, and it also gives density to your lashes. So that's something which I love the most about this product. Now let's start with all the products from the skincare line. So firstly I have two lip balms and they both are absolutely healing. जो baby lips हैं वो आप regularly जब आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो आपने फटाफट से निकाल के लगा लिया या फटाफट से अपने पर्स में डाल लिया. This can be used in that way. This one is from the Body Shop and this lip balm is healing in its own way. If you're not using this product, if you don't know about this product, please make sure that you add to your wish list and order it as soon as possible, because this lip balm is absolutely healing and I haven't found the perfect lip balm iske alawa. So just make sure that you try this lip balm at least once, because it's really nice. It smells amazing, texture काफी अच्छा है, and most of all it's a healing product. Moving on to the next item, this is Be Good ka makeup removing balm. This is a repurchase and this is my third box, I think. Yeah, third box. I use it regularly. काफी ज़्यादा amount मिलता है आपको. Love the formulation and it does the job right. So love this product and yeah, really nice. काफी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. Moving on to the next item, this is Garnier का micellar water और micellar water. Again, जब से ये मार्केट में आया है तब से मैं यही चीज़ यूज़ करती हूँ regularly to remove my makeup. Love the formulation and I don't really want to talk about this one because it's already everywhere and everyone uses this product. Moving on to the next item, I am a huge fan of essential oils, and especially lavender essential oil, because I really love how soothing it is. It just calms my nerves. It's really nice. So I thought that I can give Nykaa a try for essential oils and I do not regret it. I love it. This is my second bottle and yeah, if you're looking for a good essential oil and if you are not ready to trust anyone, you can trust Nykaa because it's really nice. I love it. So next up I have a serum. It is a salicylic acid serum from Minimalist. Love the serum. I am using it every day. I mean every night before I go to sleep. Salicylic acid is also a very good item to heal your skin, to heal your face, and yeah, I am a huge fan of this one. Although मैंने अभी इतना इस product को use नहीं करा है, so I cannot tell कि अच्छे से मैं नहीं बता सकती कि अच्छा है या नहीं है या गंदा है या जो भी. मैं proper एकदम अभी review नहीं दे सकती 100% जब तक I don't finish the whole bottle. So once I do it, I'll definitely give you a review about it. But I've heard a hell lot about this product, so I thought that I can give it a try. Moving on to another product. This is a hand cream by Nykaa. So again, I never thought that hand creams are super essential, so I never really realized इसकी importance. तो पहले I used to think कि face cream भी है, hair cream भी है, body cream भी है, अब hand cream भी आ गया. इसमें इतना फ़र्क क्या है? But once you use it, you're gonna realize the difference between all the creams because it really creates a huge difference. Once you use it, you're gonna feel your hands are healing. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching it up till now, make sure that you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and join the family. Share it with your friends. Like this video if you love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Until we meet next, guys, take care. Lots and lots of love.